Canada is the country in many things, many places. It's the country in many races, many people. No matter where we live, no matter where our place is, Canada is waiting for you. Today we'll keep learning about asking questions. In the section Questions 1, we look at how to ask direct questions. To make a question, we invert the order of the subject and the first auxiliary verb. For example, where's Johnny? Has he found it yet? If there is no auxiliary, use bar that verb to do. For example, what time did he arrive? How often do you play tennis? However, when we ask for information, we often say, do you know? Or could you tell me? These are indirect questions and more polite. Note that the word order is different. For example, do you know where Johnny is? Have you an idea if he has found it? Note that we don't use do, does, or did. For example, could you tell me what time he arrived? Would you mind telling me how often you play tennis? Use if or whether when there's no question word. For example, has he done it? Do you know if he has done it? Is it ready? Can you tell me if it is ready? The same changes in word order happen when we report questions. Note that in reported questions, the verb changes to the past. For example, what are you doing? He asked me what I was doing. What have you done about it? He asked me what I had done about it. Do you work with Pamela? He asked me if I worked with Pamela. Which one is the correct form of questions? 1. Which we supposed to take this way to get along? 2. Who are the person? 3. He asked me what store is cheaper. 4. Did he send the yellow book? The correct answer is number 3. He asked me what the store is cheaper. This is correct indirect form of the question. Number 1. Which we supposed to take this way to get to the mall? Instead of wish, it can be used will. 2. Who are the person? Instead of are, it has to be is. And 4. Did he send the yellow book? Instead of a sent, it has to be sent. Explore the website of Canada Smart Mind. You can join yourself, learn English, French, and the Canadian immigration process. Check the links below. Make a difference. That's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you again next time.